Alright, trading recap for 22nd of October. Traded CLF Snapple Coal. CLF, where did we go here? I mean, if I would have just traded that, I would have had a way better day than I did. Alright, so it opened above resistance here. That's what I was looking for. I had no idea it could go this far. None whatsoever. This is ATR, is $1.15. Here is ATR. It did obviously more than double that. And here it is. So came and finally hit 24 bucks. The absolute madman. What did I do here? What a fantastic trade. So basically a 1 minute 3-bar play. I wanted to get filled at 22.30, but I got 3-cent slip is what it is. First partial just above 1R. Then it was looking super ugly. It could just kind of farted around here. I thought I was doing good with this. Actually, there was a whole bunch of volume. Yeah. This was my volume node. I thought I was doing good by getting this, and then just above 23, and then I held some stinky shares for further on, because why not? But anyway, basically partialed all the way up. I saw I was riding it, and I just said let it ride, and I was happy with this. It looked topped out above this level. It was above the vol node, is what it is. Snap, what did I do on Snap? Okay, so Snap gap down a ton, I think like 25-30%. Had earnings, vol node here and here. I thought it wanted this. Here's ATR, and I was like, okay, it can go. So what did I do? This thing infinitely sold off, ripped anyone that held. So yeah, it was like a 2 minute 3-bar play. Something, I don't know, not really, I guess, is it? Basically just congestion here, and I took a long, looked good. It looked like it wanted this pre-market high. I already had an order in just in front of this pre-market high right here, and I should have seen that they were stuffing it, but I gave it a chance, and then I only late saw the trend line, and yeah, I knew once it broke down past where all the volume was right here in this vol node, it was game over. I didn't realize it was this badly game over though. I don't think there's anything necessarily wrong with it. Yeah, there was inherent weakness because it capped down 30%, but sometimes we love to gap fill, and I saw no reason why it couldn't gap fill at least to this. I wasn't asking the world for it, and it was on strong volume as well, so that's a tough one. I mean, it gapped enough down for it want mean reversion. It's not like it was only 5-10% where, but yeah, I guess there was some selling that had to happen somewhere. CLF, snap, oh cool. That was it. So this was dumb. This was a stupid, dumb trade. Had a lot more ATR that it could do. It was down 25%, so I was actually looking at it long. Phase 2, bad news, 60% IO. So it gapped down, and I was actually looking to it for here, and if not down to there, I was looking down into 650. So it did two things. It did like a 5-minute 3-bar play, 4-bar play, and I took it short here after it broke the low, tried to reclaim, failed, took it lower. Tape slowed down absolutely nothing. 20,000 shares a minute. And then I got out 50% when it popped real quick. And then it dropped, and I was like, okay, we're good. I moved stop loss to break even, and I said, I really don't care what this thing does. If it comes back to break even, there's no reason to be in it. I had my first take profit just above $7. There were big bids there. I was trying to front run those at like 702, and here it's slowly dying. But this is not what I want to trade. So what else do we got? Intel, did I touch it? No, Intel, big gap down on earnings. I really wanted to take it because it was up 6 days in a row on volume yesterday, and it was killing all those longs. Anyone who's long this thing right off the open, I should have just seriously hit short on the open, especially since you had kind of this rising devil here. And then I really couldn't take it. There was no 2-minute 3-bar play, no nothing. I could have FOMO'd in at some point. I could have argued that it was. Because I was looking for this. I'm really surprised it didn't get here, honestly. And then it's just ugly, scammy little wicks. I was looking at getting it in on the retest here. But it keeps rejecting this volume. Anyway, CLF, Snap, Beyond had earnings as well. Gap down a ton. I wanted to go short this thing, and I was really pissed when, okay, now they have 300 shares. When I wanted to take it, there were 0 shares. So I could not short this thing. And it's a good thing too. And I basically saw when I couldn't short it in this area, I was looking for 5-minute 3-bar play short right here. It was under pre-market low. I had an order in for low of day, and obviously didn't trigger. And when I saw that there were no shorts available and it's on SSR, I was actually a flipped long here, and I wanted to be like a 1-minute 3-bar play. I wanted to be long for this. Obviously didn't know that this would happen, but I wanted to be long for this. I should have flipped. Oh, cool, skills. No news, but it's been trending on higher volume, and so it was kind of like, it has the potential to get some legs today, and I was looking for this or this, and nothing. Just got stuffed, and trades ugly. That's all I got. 1.5 R helps to make up for some of yesterday's losses, so it means they'll still be green on the week. Not a really great week, but whatever, it is what it is. And yeah, CLF, that was the top, that level. Boom, down she came. Only I could have held some shares for that. Oh well, it was still like a 6R trade, I guess.